Hey, are you tired of looking for someone to help you with your business and not finding anyone who is sincerely interested in your success? I'm Dr. GreeneBarr, and I'm the founder of the Financiers Forum. We're meeting July 25th and 26th to address issues just like this. You know, issues about being overwhelmed by business growth strategies, unsure about what your next move needs to be as it pertains to your business. The Financiers Forum, have you registered yet? At this forum, we're going to be addressing some of the biggest challenges that people have when they're starting, scaling, and shifting in their business and in their life. We're all about having ethical business, profitable business, and innovative business. Our threefold court methodology is the answer for the questions that you have right now. July 25th and 26th, we're gathering together. You need to be in the room where it happens. Visit our website, thefinanciersforum.com, so that you can register today. We have hometown heroes who are experts in the area of building businesses, and we are here to help you. Meet me here, July 25th and 26th. I'm Dr. GreeneBarr. Your help is here.